So what we do is we will just solve this numerator and denominator. So this is cos A plus cos B, which will be 2 times cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. And this denominator will become 2 of cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So what will happen is that this cancels out. So you are left with cot to the power and A minus B by 2. The same thing will happen over here, yet sin A plus sin B. So you can use 2 times sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. And while here it will be minus 2 times sin A plus B by 2 into sin A plus B by 2. So this is gone. So what is happening here is that you got this as cot A minus B by 2 to the power n. And here you got minus 1 to the power n. And again cot A minus B by 2 to the power n. So all this means is that if this is even, right? So when this is even, this will be positive. So you will have, when n is even, what will happen is this will turn out to be 2 times cot of A minus B by 2. If n is odd, this will become minus. So if n is odd, then this will become 0 because this and this will cancel out, right?